Welcome to another edition of 60 Seconds. One Human, where we interview one employee and make a 1-minute video of it.
Alright, sir, tell us your name.
Jake Bomia.
Jake Bomia. And do you have a nickname, or what do people call you here?
I have a handful. Most of them are inappropriate, but Luke and John like to call me Stupid Jake, Fat Jake, Brokeback Jake. Just a handful, but yeah. Other than that, no.
And what are the inappropriate ones?
Stupid Jake.
Oh, those are the inappropriate ones?
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
yes.
Okay, are you like censoring it for us?
No, that's exactly what they are.
Oh, okay,
yeah.
my bad. I thought you were saying inappropriate. Like,
No,
okay.
Those are all, yeah.
Sorry, moving on. Okay, and what do you do here?
Lucas's boss.
Alright, I'm gonna put that on the screen. How long you worked here?
A little bit over a year.
And we're in your prior life to here, what did you do?
CNC Programming, which is actually what I do here.
Okay, so you weren't Lucas's boss somewhere else?
Yes and no.
Alright, perfect. Favorite thing about working in Motion?
The people, hands down. Yeah, it's a good crew.
What is something about you that most people probably don't know?
I used to do vocals in a metal band.
Will you break us off a little?
Retired.
Okay.
Nope, not doing it.
Alright, good.
See ya next Friday.